This is the Neste Up cot, a must-have from birth when closeness and convenience are crucial. Let me tell you how our nights have been looking recently. Thanks to Neste Up, both my child and I have a comfortable and safe place to sleep. Attaching the co-sleeper cot only takes a moment. It's easy to adjust to my bed, and the height adjustment is intuitive. Don't forget that the child's mattress must be lower than the parent's mattress. And if the bed frame reaches the floor, slide the legs to its edge. The straps must always be secured and firmly tightened. Look, the royal bed is ready. Here, you're safe and always close to me. I can keep a close eye on my little one at all times. This is particularly great at night because both of us have our own space. And when it's time for feeding, you're right here. How convenient. Time to get up. We're both rested and in a great mood, and we can take Neste Up to the living room. During the day, Neste Up transforms into an independent cot. My little one has his own corner, and I can keep an eye on him. In the Neste Air version, the co-sleeper cot features breathable mesh on all sides. We can drop the cot down at the foot end. The incline can help when my son's sitting up. And if the sheet's getting dirty, it's machine washable, while the cover can be washed by hand. Neste Up has become our favorite piece of furniture in our home. It's so convenient and functional that we take it on trips.
Kinderkraft. Easy with kids.